Yeah, hit him on that.
I'm just gonna let the camera roll. See what we pick up. Do what you gotta do, man.
I only do it for the snow removal.
Okay. Oh, I see.
I was just surprised that that gas station was fucking open. That guy's fucking the only one.
I'm scared for a second.
We'll do a little lap.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll give you the roundabout. I'll shoot you back.
Cool, thank you.
If I had a bigger cab, I'd say we'll roll around for a few hours, but this cab ain't too big.
That's all good, man. Have you seen anybody stuck out here?
Oh, yeah, we're gonna go bring water right now.
Oh, okay.
Been stuck there since fucking 9.
Oh shit. Come on.
I said, buddy, you got good insurance on your car? Because I'll push you out right now. Right?
Is it a truck?
It's a fucking car.
So we're going to bring some guy water who is stuck in his car. Oh shit.
That's alright. Nobody's gonna miss a little shrub anyway.
Nah.
Take down, it's quick.
I know. Creek's great, but yeah.
Hey, it's all done.
First rule of filmmaking, you always let the camera roll, never shut it off.
Never. Get this guy fucking stuck.
This guy's stuck.
Who knows? Fuck him.
Other side.
Paid by the hour, baby. This guy's right up here on the right.
Sweet.
There really ain't much I can do. There's not this group. It's close. Grab the boy some water and coffee.
Oh, he's farther down here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's
not like
Did he fucking get out of here? I told him I'll fucking come back with water for him. It's right there. Yeah, I bought him out. He fucking skedaddled. He was right there. You can see where he pissed in the fucking snow. Yeah, he got out.
Richmond,
Oh, hell yeah.
something like that.
Yeah, you do whatever the fuck you want. Motherfucker. Should we see if he wants some water or something?
Sure, yeah. Well, that guy's really fucked, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah. He ain't getting out of there till next.
What's he gonna do?
Fucking run off the road. Want water? You guys got water? You guys got waters or no? Fucking hey, buddy.
But what is, want to pull me out?
You got a chain?
I gotta try and get chains right now.
Yeah, I don't care. I'll give you a hand.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll give you a hand. Let me go drop them off. He just wanted to see the snowstorm.
And then pull it straight out.
Drug. I'll fucking yank the balls out of it. I don't give a fuck. You got insurance, right? Oh, shit. Hey, you guys work with Deaf Mike?
Deaf
Right on?
Mike.
Stick right on?
What's his name?
I call him Deaf Mike.
Does Ronnie have anyone named Mike?
He's deaf as fuck.
He's deaf? I said no.
No,
He does have a cousin named Mike Renault though too.
no worries.
That was such a New England conversation.
Hey, you don't fucking Deaf Mike?
No?
Hey, if you're having fun, that's what you want to do. It makes my day. I don't give a fuck, dude.
Yeah.
Get that shot right there, pulling into Seasons.
Oh yeah, I get everything.
You can sell that to fucking Seasons for a commercial. Open during the blizzard of 26,
right.
you know what I'm saying?
Alright, thanks dude.
Good luck, brother.
Later. Alright.